What's on the menu this afternoon? Banana pancakes.
Banana fritters.
Banana fritters. Or pancakes.
Healthy merienda.
What's the recipe?
2 spoons of flour.
So roughly half a cup?
No, 1/4 probably.
Oh, okay. Quarter of a cup of flour.
And 2 bananas.
2 ripe bananas, bit of milk.
A little bit of milk. That's it. That's it. Only 3 ingredients.
And I made it the other day and I added 1 egg, which wasn't bad. It was pretty nice.
Only when it's simple and
Yeah, it's not necessary. Cappuccino, anybody? Bit hot?
no, it's perfect.
Oh, okay. Let's have these with our coffee.
Besarat.